So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Yaksha and today I'm back with another new video for you, and today we're going to see the 27th chapter of comprehension part in the Wren and Martin book. So, and the topic's name is spelling rules. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So I'm going to read it out first and then I'm going to write it. Uh, as you can see, the first rule is one syllable words ending in a single vowel plus single consonant, double the consonant before a suffix beginning with a vowel. That means let's take the first example itself, beg. So this is the one syllable word that they are using in the example. So here, as I said, it is ending in a single consonant. So the suffix which we are going to add, the suffix is the word which we are going to add to the word which is already there, the syllable which is already there. So the suffix here we want to add is ed, and here it is a single vowel. So we're going to, when we add beg plus ed, it what they are saying is it doubles the consonant. That means the consonant here is g, and that is going to be doubled before the suffix is added. That means we get be g g. We're going to double it and then add the suffix, which is ed. So I hope you understood this. So guys, now we're going to see the second rule. In the first one, we have the exception to wish and fear. As you can see over here, they have said that wish plus ed, which is equal to wished, it has two consonants, and fear plus ing, which is two vowels, fearing. Here the r and h don't get doubled. This has an exception to the rule that we have just studied. So guys, now let's read the second rule. Words of two or three syllables ending in a single vowel plus single consonant, double the final consonant if the last syllable is stressed. So let's take the second example, which is permit. We have to turn this permit into permitted as told to us in the question. So to turn this permit into into permitted, we need to add the suffix ed. So according to the rule, before the suffix has been added, the final consonant, that means the final consonant over here is t, and it is being stressed in that word. In the word permit, you stress on t, permit. You can leave stress on that. So you're going to double that word. So permit plus ed equals to permit. Because we are stressing on it, we're going to double it and add ed. So this is the answer we are going to get. It is very simple, guys. You just need to understand it and concentrate on it to understand faster. So guys, now let's read the third syllable. I mean the third rule. In British English, the consonant L is doubled even if the stress does not fall on the last syllable. As they have said, let's take the same example as quarreled. So here you can see the quarreled example. Here you can see quarreled example. So we're going to take this example itself, and let's do this in a practical way. So quarreled, That means quarrel. Let's write the spelling quarrel. So here L is the last letter, and even though we don't stress on L, we have to double it according to the British English. So what we get is we have to add ed. The suffix here is ed. So what we get is QUARRE. According to the British English, we have to double the L. QUARRELED, which is the suffix. You don't need to draw the brackets. I just do it for your understanding. So guys, in this British English rule, we have an exception for parallel. So here we already have this L doubled, but the last L is not doubled. So the suffix which we want to add here is ed, and what the answer would be. So the answer is, as you know, parallel. We are not going to double this L over here, because this word has an exception to this rule. Now let's go on to the next. If the word to which the suffix full is added ends in L, the second L is dropped. So guys, if we are adding the suffix full to a word which ends in, this is the suffix, and the word which we are going to add, to which the syllable to which we are going to add the suffix ends in double L, we are going to drop the second L. That means we are going to cancel the second L. So let's take the word will ends in 2L. So we are going to add full to it. Will plus full equals to. We're going to, as I said, we're going to drop, or we are going to cancel the second L. So what we get is WILFULL. This is what we get, and this is what the answer should be. And you can see here as well the answer, what it is. It is willful only. As you can see, it's willful. Sorry for a little, it's not that clear, but you can see it that it's willful. So guys, now let's read the next rule. Words ending in silent E, drop the E before the suffix beginning with a vowel. Let's take the third example, which is move. So let's just write it, move. We have move. So here it says, if the word we are adding, like the syllable, it's ending in silent E. If the last letter is E and it is also silent, then you have to drop or cancel this E when you are going to write a final answer. So what the suffix we are adding here is ed. This is the suffix we want to add to this move. So move, in this move the E is silent, so we're going to drop this E out, and the answer we're going to get is MOVED. Why we are getting E? Because ED we have over here, so we are getting ED. And the moves, from the move we have MOV, because we've cancelled the E because it is silent and ending in this word. So guys, there is an exception here as well. The E remains remains before a suffix beginning with a consonant. So if the suffix is beginning with a consonant, then the E is going to stay. Because let's take the example ho, and we're going to add, it is ending in E, and we're going to add the suffix full. Here full F is a consonant, so here hope is going to stay. It is not going to get cancelled. So we get the answer HOPEFULL. This is the answer we get, because here it is starting with a if this vowel is, if the suffix is starting with a consonant, the E stays there and does not get dropped out or cancelled. So guys, here we have the another set of rules. So let's read them. Notice the special case of words ending in CE and GE, which keep the E when adding able and us or os. So, a special case of words which end in CE and GE, keep the E when adding able and os. So let's see. We'll take the word notice. So notice, it's ending in CE. So now we're going to add able. The suffix we are adding is able. So the answer we get is, we're going to keep the E, NOTICE dash, able, ABLE. We're going to keep this E over there itself. Though it is silent, we're not going to drop out or cancel it. Now the next one is, words ending in EE, double E, do not drop an E before a suffix. So they do not drop. Let's take the example SEE, and we're going to, the suffix we are adding is ing, ING. What the answer will be? So because they, as I said, they are ending in double E, we are not going to cancel the last E, because though it is silent, it's going to be as SEEING, which is seeing. It's going to stay the same. And we also have the same way agree over here. Agree plus ment, which is agreement. The EE will not change. Words ending in IE change the IE to Y when ING is added. So let's take the example tie. So it is ending in IE. So we are going to change this IE to we're going to change it to Y. So it comes like we are going to change it only when we are adding the suffix ing. Only when we are adding the suffix ing. And the answer we will get will be equal to tying. Tying. We are not going to get TIEING. It's TYING. Okay guys, a final Y following a consonant changes to I before a suffix except ing. When the Y when Y is followed by a consonant, it changes to I, except it changes to I before adding the suffix. But if the suffix is ing, it would not change. If it's ing, it would not change. So let's take the example marry. Marry. So marry, and you're going to the suffix which we want to add is age. So we're going to change this y to I. So MARRIAGE. That's what we are going to get. As if the y is not followed by a consonant and is followed by a vowel, it does not change. It does not change to I. Like you can see over here, it's prayed. ED. E is a vowel, so it's not going to change. Play, you are not going to change because it's E. Then we also have a few exceptions like paid, said, laid, delay, and gaily. It's same. Like we have exception for that. So when IE or EI is pronounced like EE in Jeep, I comes before E except after E. So like believe, receive, here you can see believe, relieve, achieve, grieve, yield, field, receive, deceive, deceive, conceive, concite. So guys, I hope you liked my today's video. If you did, smash that like button, share my videos to others, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the notification button to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.